The earnings came out. You did have earnings per share and revenue. The investors, what did they learn from this report? I know that the market sold off a little bit after you came out with the numbers.
Yeah, no, thanks for having me on, Nicole. I really appreciate it. I think what they learned is the fact that we are indeed transforming this company into a cloud and SaaS company. Currently, those revenues represent 33% of our overall revenue. That's more than 2x where we were a year ago. And in fact, we've been able to double our business from roughly $500 million to over $1 billion run rate. And equally as important is we're seeing our enterprise customers, their spending is increasing. And in fact, they significantly accelerated their move to digital transformation. It aligns exactly with our investments, our innovation, our robust portfolio, which means Avaya is well positioned to capitalize on the growth in the months and years to come. And as you may know, Avaya is the world's largest enterprise provider in collaboration and communication, and 90% of the Fortune 100 run mission-critical applications using Avaya software.
And you mentioned the cloud business, a big pivot there. And within your comments post-earnings, you talked about your performance, demonstrating the innovation and execution in your cloud-first strategy. And enabling new ways of working. So what are some of the most pressing business challenges to which you refer? You talk about highly differentiated solutions, driving the demand. What is it that people are really looking for?
Yeah, what they're really looking for is an opportunity and availability of technology to really enhance the productivity and efficiency of their workforce. And obviously, with the impact of COVID, we're starting to see large enterprises not only work from anywhere, if you will, but really investing in customer and employee experiences. And we did a survey of over 300 of our top enterprise customers, and 8 out of 10 of those customers said they're going to continue to invest because they're really understanding the value and really transforming contact centers from a cost center into a profit center. And our technology provides them with our AI capability, with our cloud capability, with some of the behavioral pairing technologies that we have in the marketplace today, really allows our customers to really provide the customer experiences that their customers expect. And it's a real opportunity for Avaya to continue to grow its revenues.
Yeah, and some of your notable clients, we have to let people understand Apple, Disney, Dell, CVS. So you're helping these clients and companies to work through a very difficult time, this pandemic, the work from anywhere time that we're living in at this point. You have Avaya devices, Avaya phones, Avaya video conferencing endpoints. You talk a lot about the cloud. How are you going to A, keep the customers happy, but B, add new customers in the years ahead, in the next 18 months? How do you do that?
Yeah, well, I tell you, if you take a look at our portfolio today, as you pointed out, it's extremely robust. We're one of the only companies out there today that offers private, public, and hybrid cloud solutions. We obviously offer a significant amount of subscription services to our customer base as well. And in fact, Nicole, even in the midst of this pandemic, we were able to secure 1,500 new customers alone last quarter. We also had 135 of those customers generate an order of greater than $1 million, which represents a total of $400 million. So we're seeing our business continue to accelerate. We're continuing to bring on new customers each and every quarter. And I really think that's a representation is, if you take a look at our customer base, really what they're trying to do is simplify their infrastructure. They have a very diverse workforce. They're located in homes all around the globe, and they're really looking for that single provider who can provide them the breadth, scale, technical expertise, the innovation, and more importantly, the services that wraps around all of that as a way to service their clients no matter where they are. And Avaya is uniquely positioned to provide those capabilities.
Tell me that number again. You brought on how many new customers, and have you lost any?
We brought on 1,500 new customers, and they were basically competitive wins. Yeah, it's amazing. In fact, it was up 30% quarter on quarter. So a real tribute to the Avaya team, really, in the midst of obviously this worldwide pandemic. But again, goes to the strength of our.
What's the churn rate? Do people leave from Avaya?
No, I mean, you always have a little bit of churn rate, but for us, it's insignificant as far as an overall measurement perspective. We're on a nice trajectory and a slope of increasing our customer base. In fact, Nicole, last year alone, our fourth quarter was the September quarter. We added over 5,000 new customers in the last year, so a really significant uptick.